Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to get the product collection by multiple categories or specific categories. Suppose you want to load the products with multiple categories or a specific category, then you need to pass the categories, whatever we have the categories, then product collection factory you need to create, then attribute to select and add attribute categories to filter by this IDs. In for filters array this field needs an array, so here array is passed. Okay, and if you want to get the product collection by specific category, then you need to pass the category, load that category, and filter by the category. Okay, and attribute to filter, whether you want to filter by the visibility, should be visibility both catalog or search, enabled on enabled, right, and return the collection. So this is let's run this is it coming or not. First we have the category. Now I'm going to add the return the categories over here. Let me go to the admin panel. Or so here we have the categories. I'm going to use the category and here bags bags 6 and 7. We add 6 and 7. 6 comma 7. So from the categories return the collection. Okay, so let's run this. Here we compile this code also because it's required. See, this is done. Let's run this seller. Invalid return type. Invalid return type. Change seller collection return. So we print it up. Let's run this. What we have: entity ID, attribute ID, simple, and this, which we are getting. So let's match this. This 36 products are there. So let's check. Here we have 14. Here we have 23. 4 plus 3, 37, plus 2 plus 3, 337. 36. And it starts from the 0. So we have done, we have get all the products with the specified category, right? It starts from 0. So 37 products we are getting of this category. Suppose if we over only say 6, and we will run only 14 products. Yeah, it's 14 products. So here now it is uh, by this is done. Let's check this part also. Let's add visibility report, return, collection. Let's check. Let's run this command. So data is coming. Just shuffle back. First one is just shuffle back. Let's just shuffle back. Start shoulder. Strive shoulder back. Okay, so all the products are covered. Right? 17 products. 14. Here count is not shown. The last product is what? So this one is push. All products are covered. This is how you can get all filter by collection by specific category or multiple categories. So this is how you can add the filter. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.